Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.4139 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.4077 1.4178. The earlier day close, 1.4243. The change was 0.0104, 0.73%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 1.43 rands, high 1.53, low 1.33. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 1.41 rands, high 1.51, low 1.31. Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, June 8, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 1.39 rands, high 1.49, low 1.29. In multi-week Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, June 12, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, June 14, cost 1.49 rands, high 1.59, low 1.39. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost 1.49 rands, high 1.59, low 1.39. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, June 16, cost 1.43 rands, high 1.53, low 1.33. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost 1.44 rands, high 1.54, low 1.34. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, June 20, cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56, low 1.36. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost 1.44 rands, high 1.54, low 1.34. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, June 22, cost 1.44 rands, high 1.54, low 1.34. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, June 23, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. In 3 weeks Dogecoin estimate on Monday, June 26, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, June 27, cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56, low 1.36. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, June 28, cost 1.50 rands, high 1.61, low 1.40. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, June 29, cost 1.52 rands, high 1.63, low 1.41. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, June 30, cost 1.52 rands, high 1.63, low 1.41. In about a month Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, July 3, cost 1.52 rands, high 1.63, low 1.41. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, July 4, cost 1.53 rands, high 1.64, low 1.42. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.41 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.63, while low cost 1.29. Found the middle value of cost 1.46. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.52. Change for June 7.8%. Dogecoin gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 1.52 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.74, while low cost 1.39. Found the middle value of cost 1.57. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.63, change for July 7.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 1.63 rands. Excessive cost 1.69, while low cost 1.47. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.59. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.58, change for August 3.1%. Dogecoin figure for September 2023. Before all else cost at 1.58 rands. Excessive cost 1.80, while low cost 1.56. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.66. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.68. Change for September 6.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 1.68 rands. Excessive cost 1.68, while low cost 1.45. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.59. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.56, change for October 7.1%. Dogecoin figure for November 2023. Initially cost at 1.56 rands, excessive cost 1.56, while low cost 1.30. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.46. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.40, change for November 10.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at 1.40 rands, excessive cost 1.73, while low cost 1.40. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.54. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.62, change for December 15.7%. Dogecoin conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 1.62 rands, excessive cost 1.62, while low cost 1.26. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.47. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.36, change for January 16.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 1.36 rands, exorbitant cost 1.36, while low cost 1.06. The found the middle value of cost 1.23. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.14, change for February 16.2%. Dogecoin gauge for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 1.14 rands, exorbitant cost 1.41, while low cost 1.14. The found the middle value of cost 1.25. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.32, change for spring 15.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at 1.32 rands, exorbitant cost 1.51, while low cost 1.31. The found the middle value of cost 1.39. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.41, change for April 6.8%. Dogecoin estimate for May 2024. In the first place cost at 1.41 rands, exorbitant cost 1.41, while low cost 1.22. The found the middle value of cost 1.34. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.31, change for May 7.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at 1.31 rands, exorbitant cost 1.47, while low cost 1.27. The found the middle value of cost 1.36. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.37, change for June 4.6%. ZAR to Doge swapping scale equivalent to 0.7072 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.7053-0.7104. The earlier days nearby 0.7021. Change for now plus 0.0051 plus 0.73%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Dogecoin estimate on Monday, June 5, cost